Hello everyone, welcome back to another day's video. Today I'll be cooking a new veggie. Not only does this veggie have more iron than callaloo, it has a range of health benefits. This is the rainbow Swiss chard. It is not only colorful and beautiful, but is highly nutritious. It's a leafy green vegetable in the same family as the beets and spinach, but it's packed full of minerals and vitamins and antioxidants. Here are a list of all the vitamins and minerals that this simple veggie contains. Okay, so let's get cooking. So to my pan, I've added some cloves and winter seeds. I'm adding in my onions, garlic, some celery, and my Swiss chard, which has been washed thoroughly in salt and chopped. Initially, I started on high heat and then I reduced it to let it steam a bit when it was catching in the bottom of the pan. Minutes later, keep checking to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. I added some black pepper and a bit of Himalayan salt. Just adding in some fresh thyme and some fresh tomatoes from the garden and a Scotch bonnet pepper. This veggie is best eaten when it's lightly cooked or sautéed, so do not overcook it, otherwise it becomes a bit bitter. Salt, pepper, garlic, onions, sweet paprika, ground cumin, lemon peel and chili. Time to cook my potatoes, fresh from my allotment. Total cooking time, 10 to 15 minutes. Potatoes are ready. I enjoyed my sautéed / steamed chard with some new potatoes from our allotment. These are grown by our very own hands. They were absolutely amazing. Every bite was a pleasure. Soft, tasty, melt in your mouth. You must try. Don't forget to like this video, comment, share, subscribe, and as always, take care of yourself and each other. Blessings to you and the family.